Hi, I'm Walter. I'm the team lead for the IPS Signature Development Team. It is Tuesday, October 9th, and yeah, it's that time again, Microsoft Patch Tuesday. I'll admit though I'm a little distracted today. I'm kind of waiting for Felix Baumgartner to jump from a stratospheric balloon up at 120,000 feet back into free fall to the Earth, during which time he'll probably break the speed of sound, so good luck to Felix. Anyway, back to Microsoft. We've got 7 bulletins coming out this month, one of which is rated critical, the other 6 are rated important. They address separate CVEs in Office, Internet Explorer, Fast, Windows, and SQL. Let's start out with the 2 bulletins that affect Office. The first one, MS-12-064. This is a Microsoft Word vulnerability, addresses 2 vulnerabilities. I would make this a top patch priority for you this month. There are some workarounds in the bulletin, so if you can't roll the patches out, definitely take a look at that and see if maybe you can make use of those in the interim. There's probably a good chance of exploit code being developed for this. It affects it affects older versions of Office for both CVEs. The next one, MS-12-065. This is the Microsoft Works one. It addresses 1 important rated vulnerability. This is the Works heap vulnerability. Prioritize patching this one as well. The next bulletin, MS-12-066. This is the Internet Explorer bulletin. It's an HTML sanitization vulnerability. I'd also put this one up on your list to prioritize. It's an elevation of privilege via cross-site scripting, right? The attacker just needs to get the user to visit a malicious website. So given that vector, good chance that you actually might get some exploit code being developed for that. And the next bulletin is affecting Fast or SharePoint. This is MS-12-067. It's also rated important. One CVE addressed in that. This also addresses the previously released Oracle outside-in filter pack vulnerabilities that were in Security Advisory 2737111. So, and take a look at that. There are 2 bulletins that affect Windows. The first one, MS-12-068. This is the kernel bulletin. It's also rated important. 1 CVE. It's an elevation of privilege. The attacker does have to have local login privileges in order to exploit this. MS-12-069. This is Kerberos. Again, rated important. 1 vulnerability addressed in that. On Windows 7, this results, or exploitation of this would result in a denial of service. And one last bulletin, this is affecting SQL. This is MS-12-070. 1 vulnerability addressed in that. It is a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability. Again, this is also an elevation of privilege via cross-site scripting. Again, kind of an easy vector. So, pretty quick rundown. Top patch priorities for this month are going to be MS-12-064, that's the Word bulletin. And then also MS-12-065, which is the Works one, and MS-12-066, the IE one. Okay, that's it. See you next month.